experience shooting for Khatron Ke Khiladi?
Oh man, it has been a great journey and a fantastic experience, as far as the show goes, as far as the stunts go, and also the bonding that we all shared on the show, which is very rare because जब 13 लोग बिग बॉस में जाते हैं तो हम सबको पता है क्या होता है, लेकिन खतरों के खिलाड़ी पे काफी मजा आया सबके साथ मस्ती करके, and it was a happy bunch. I was so happy to be a part of this season.
So how do you think you performed? Are you happy with the way you journeyed through Khatron Ke Khiladi?
When you do a show like that, when you're competing, you have to go with the winning spirit. Whether you win it or no, that's a different thing. But you have to go with that intention so that you push yourself to go that extra mile. And that's exactly what I did on the show. Whether I don't know who's won or how everybody is fared, that you'll get to know once you watch the show. I have done a lot of stunts that I thought I couldn't do, or I thought I couldn't pull off in terms of physical strength that is required in terms of certain stunts. But like I said, a lot is to do with your mental fitness also, in terms of your willpower. And a lot of times when you give up, but there's this one man who's right there with you, besides you, Mr. Rohit Shetty, who's always pushing you, so that you perform better than what you have. And the way he motivates you, the way he sometimes praises you, it kind of really pushes you to do things that you think you cannot.
Who surprised you in Khatron Ke Khiladi?
Who surprised me? Divyanka for sure. I think Divyanka, सबको लगता है सास, बहू, drama, very soft, but she's a tough girl, very tough girl, and she really surprised me. Sana also really surprised me on the show. A lot of stunts. Rahul, I thought, did extremely well. And so I think these people really surprised me. And Nikki was very entertaining throughout the show. She's funny. And so these are the people who surprised me.
And also, Arjun, since your father, of course, that also must be going through your mind, that your son will grow up, he'll see Khatron Ke Khiladi and he'll see his father do all these things. Was that also on your mind, that you did not want to do?
Of course, that was on my mind. I mentioned it once on the show also, that I want to be my son's hero, And I think every father wants to... he feels, oh wow, my father did this and my father did that, and so then I wanted to, that was also something that kept motivating me, and a lot of stunts that I thought I would give up as to take Ayan's name and as to do them and as to then do well.
Arjun, there's already a buzz that you're doing Bigg Boss. If you can reveal more about that.
Well, I've been offered Bigg Boss, but I have not said yes to it yet. And honestly, I'm just but I'm definitely giving it a thought. I don't know what will I eventually do. Let's see how things go. There's a lot of time for it right now, so I really don't want to talk about Bigg Boss right now. Right now, it's just focus on I'm really wanting the audience to see Khatron Ke Khiladi.
And fans are waiting to see you act on screen, Arjun. When is it happening? When are you being back on television? Have you thought about it, or you want to venture out on different stuff?
No, definitely want to venture out on different stuff. I've done Khatron Ke Khiladi. There is something that I'm doing right now. I can't talk about it really right now, but I'm definitely doing it. The shoot starts soon, and yes, there are a lot of things. I think it's just the beginning right now. I always tell myself that each year that this is the beginning, because as an actor, you're never completely happy about anything. Of course, I'm content
Mhm.
about where I am today in life, but as an
Right.
actor, there's so much more I want to
So
do,
much.
explore, do different kinds of scripts, characters, and I just don't want to be, I'm not a person who really wants to do reality shows all the time, and
Right.
that's not me. I'm
Right.
an actor, and I want to do scripts. That's what
Amazing.
that's who I am.
Amazing.